Hey guys, come with us. Let's go and pick blueberries in the bush for blueberry muffins. My kids have been disturbing that they want blueberry muffins, so we decided to go pick blueberries by ourselves and make blueberry muffins. So here we are in the woods. This is just close by our house, just 3 minutes walk from our house. So we've done picking and we are heading back home to start with the blueberry muffins. You can buy blueberry from the store. So the first thing I will be doing is to add the sugar, and I will also follow it up with some vegetable oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any kind of vegetable oil of your choice. I'll be adding some melted butter, and I will mix everything together for about 5 minutes. You can mix by hand if you don't have a mixer. But after a while, for like 2-3 minutes, I stopped it and I scraped the bowl and I continue mixing. Please, the list of everything will be in the description box below, the quantity that I used here, and I'm making a very soft and fluffy blueberry muffin. So if you follow this recipe, the ingredients that I use, if you measure it accurately, you will have the same fluffy and soft muffins like mine, which will last for a long time in the freezer and it will still be the same. So I started adding the eggs. I added it one after the other because I'm making use of 2 large eggs. So I will beat and scrape and I will beat it again till everything is well incorporated, just like so. Then I will stop mixing. Then time to introduce the dry ingredients. I will divide the flour into two, and I will also divide the baking soda and baking powder into two. Add the first batch, add some salt, add some buttermilk, then mix and combine everything together, just like so. Please, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Feel free to subscribe, leave your comments below, like and share my video to your family, your friends, your colleagues, your neighbors, even your enemies. Then add the remaining dry ingredients, the remaining butter, baking powder, baking soda. Follow it up with the buttermilk, mix and combine together just like I'm doing. Once everything has combined together just like so, then you can add orange zest from one orange, or you can add lemon zest. So I will scrape it to make sure that everything is well combined. Then I will mix it again. But before that, I remember that I haven't added vanilla. So I'll be adding like 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then I will combine everything for the last time. Please do not overbeat this. Do not overmix. Just combine everything together. If it's possible, you can just use a spatula and fold it in. But yeah, after mixing, then it is ready. The next thing is to introduce the blueberry. You can bake it like this if you don't want to put blueberries, but for me, I will be adding some flour into the blueberries and I will shake it and mix everything. You can cover it and shake it just like Kim Kardashians do shake the salad. Once everything is well mixed, then you can put the blueberries. Putting the flour to the blueberries to mix it together will make it come together. That's why we are mixing it first before adding it into the batter. Then I will fold it in just like so. Then after folding it in, you can bake with a pan, but I'll be baking with my muffins because we are making blueberry muffins. So, and that is what my kids requested for. So I'll be scooping it into my muffin cups. This cups is the real deal. Very easy to use, very easy to wash. So I've thrown away my big pan, my muffin pan. So this is what I use now. Bake, then once it's ready, bring it out, allow it to cool down, enjoy. You can eat it like this, you can enjoy with any drink of your choice. And here is Zina enjoying his blueberry with some attitude. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy watching. If you learn 1 or 2 things, if you want to try it out, if you've tried it out, let me know what you think in the comment section. And I appreciate you for watching, for always coming back to watch my videos. For my new subscribers, thank you so much. But please endeavor to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Put your notification bell to all. Bye.